how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down.
Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome back. Show y'all what we got so I can get my ice cream put up and eat because I'm hungry. I got me a thing of alcohol and witch hazel. This is both for my face. This is just what I use. You don't have to use what I use. If it's too harsh or too rough for you, then I understand. But I have been doing this for some ages and ages. And then I also use some olive oil, the pure olive oil with the sunflower oil in it, and it works amazing on my skin. It's been doing it for years, so this is what I use. I got me a bag of sour cream and onion chips. So I got this Santino's brand. I like the one in the box. What is it? Mission? I like the Mission one that be in that brown bag. They was at Winn-Dixie, and I just didn't want to go because I would have wanted to buy something, and I ain't need nothing else. The cookie dipped ice cream cones. These are the regular sizes. And then I got the mini drumsticks because these was the ones. I was looking for these in a big pack like them, but they just had them with the caramel, chocolate, and the fudge. I didn't want those. I just wanted the plain vanilla with the chocolate coatings. So I just got the mini ones. And then Jordan picked these up. The strawberry cheesecake twisted cones.
They new.
Huh?
They new.
He said they're new. Of course, they say new on the box. But he can have that. He can have that. Now, y'all remember these things used to be 69 cents, then 79 cents. Then they went to $1. And now they $2 something for one of these. Got to fill up an 8-pack of these Sprites. I got these crescent rolls. Y'all know I always make these and do my smoked sausages in the middle for breakfast. So that's probably what I'll fix tomorrow. Mama asked me, because that's why I went to the store for both of the mamas. I went for them. Mama asked me for some low-fat cottage cheese. She said she didn't want the real big one that run like $6, $7, but this is the size she wanted. Y'all remember I had bought her one of these 2 months ago, and she'll eat this up in like a week and a half. This is the dip I've been wanting. I've been craving this dip. The Dean's French onion, and I eat them with my sour cream and onion chips. Jordan picked this up. This is the Zatarain's cilantro lime. For a side. I don't know what he gonna cook, but it's a side dish, I guess. We needed some more masks to go in the car, so he picked those up. My oatmeal bars, they only had one big pack. I normally get 2. Mama said you shall go through a lot of oatmeal pies. Y'all do, but I eat them. I'll eat like 3 a day. I ain't gonna lie, I eat like 3 a day. And last time I had bought me 2 packs. And Riri bought me a pack, but this was the only one I had. So I was like, that was the Lord telling me, girl, that's all you need. So that's what I got. I could have got the little ones, but no, I just got 1 big pack. And then I got my Skittles drinks. Y'all know I love these. Yeah, these are the plugs, y'all. These and the, what's the other ones we get? The other brand, it's going to make me mad. Hold on.
It's the Nerds.
Yeah, these here the Nerds. It was going to upset me until I'll tell y'all. And I put them in these containers here. And then we just grab them and go add them to our water. But the Nerd and the and all the different flavors. And it's only like $3 for a 30-pack. And then the Skittles, I'm going to come back and close that. And then the Skittles, you got 30 count. And it's like $3 and some change. But these things are so good, and some water, so good. And then Mama making some stew. I mentioned earlier that I just did her some red beans, but my kids came here and cleaned me out. Deontay took him a big container. Alisha took her a big container, and everybody ate. I didn't eat any beans yesterday, and Jordan didn't eat none. We pretty much cook them for the family. I wanted me a bowl so bad, but I was like, no, I'm gonna let Mama and them enjoy it. And I knew Deontay was here, so he was going to eat them and take some home. And Alisha came, and she was going to take some home. So I told Jordan, next time I'm going to make 5. I'm going to do enough so we can have enough for 2 days. Because I never end up getting any. But it's okay. So Mama making some stew beef or beef stew. When you going to make it? Probably tomorrow? Huh? When?
Next week.
She making it next week. But she sent me to the store to get it so she can have it. So she said next week. Yeah, so I don't know what we're gonna do for the rest of this week. We'll figure it out. And then Joy picked this stuff up. Y'all know he loved this. And like I said, it's a texture thing. Some people may think I'm crazy, but it's a difference between this texture and this texture. It is. Some people might say, no, it ain't, girl. It's just a different brand. But it's kind of like avocados, or seeing when you make a peanut butter sandwich and you put the knife, like if the knife hit the water with that peanut butter, like it, certain things just kind of be like, it freaks me out. I don't know. But I don't like this texture. But I like this texture. So yeah. Then he got him some manwich, because y'all know that man love him some dang on manwich. He ain't pick up no buns. He said he gonna go get him the day he cook it. Yeah, we gonna see. I ain't going in with him, because then I'm gonna get something I don't need. Then I wanted the Taco Bell, but I seen this one, and y'all know I love the paste one with the jalapeno, the nacho jalapeno. It's so good. So I just opted out to get this one. And plus, it's more in this one than the Taco Bell one. So this one will last me longer. Y'all know I like the regular pineapples, like the fresh pineapples, and cut them. But Philip asked me for some canned pineapples, and he will eat a whole can of himself. So I got 4. And it was cheaper for me to get these cans for $1 than buy 4 whole pineapples and cut them. I know the whole ones are fresher, but hey, as long as I'm getting him to eat some pineapples, and he loves them. So I'm going to open these up, put them in a container for him. He'll have them. He even bring them to school. And we got 9. Because Mama E asked me for some Vienna sausage and powder meat. I told her I'll get her 4 and I'll get me 4. And I asked my mama if she wanted some. She said no. She had a taste for them. She ate it. She don't have a taste no more. So I got 4 for me. I got 4 for Mama E. And then Jordan was like, he'll try one because he never ate the Libby's brand. But here, that's the only one I ever get, in the Vienna sausage. And then in the potted meat, I got me 3 and Mama E 3. And the only brand I eat is the Armour, or Armour, however you pronounce it. Because this one my grandma and them used to buy. But back then, it used to be like, it went from what, 15, 25 cent a can? That now these things are like 80. Yeah, they like 80 something.
No, 82 a can.
A can. And then the Brian Vienna sausages are $1. These are 81 cents. So I'm like, Lord Jesus. So that was that. Then I got, well, Mama asked me for some strawberry milk when I was headed out the door. So I got her a thing of strawberry, and y'all know we do the boarding. I got my chocolate milk yesterday. So, and did I do a haul? I don't think I did a haul yesterday, because I was tired when I got home. But I got me a thing of boarding chocolate milk yesterday, and then we got the boarding fruit punch, only 1. And I got them 2 more things of Minute Maid. So these are stock up in the back of the refrigerator, and they can pull from the front. And y'all remember my last video? I had got one of the smaller ones for our trip, and Philip said he liked this one, so this gonna be the brand I'll be getting. So I pick one up, and that's all. That's it. Now I'm about to eat. I may actually, it's 12 o'clock. I need to do my brownies. I don't know. I'm thinking if I want to fix me some of these. I got to try to see about my smoked sausage, if I have any defrosted, because I think I put them all in the beans. But I'm about to get my ice cream put up and my milk.
How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down.